everyone, in this video you're going to learn how to build a text summarizer using Python and Gradio powered by the incredible Hugging Face Transformers library. But before we dive into the code, if you haven't already, then make sure to create an account at huggingface.co. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Spaces section and create a new space. I'm naming it Summarizer. Feel free to give your own name. Then select Gradio as the space SDK and choose whether you want to keep your space public or private. I'm choosing private for now. Then click on Create Space. You will land on this page. Now let's set up the project by adding a requirements.txt file. Click on Files, then Add File and create a new file named requirements.txt. We will need transformers and TensorFlow libraries for this project. So that's what you will be giving inside the requirements.txt file. After adding them, scroll down and click Commit New File to Main. Now go back to the Apps section and you will find a hint with a link to create the app file right in your browser. Click on Create to get started. Now comes the coding part. We import the necessary modules for our project, that is Gradio as GR, which is a Python library for creating user interfaces for machine learning models. We also import pipeline from transformers, which is a part of the Hugging Face Transformers library, and it allows us to easily use pre-trained models for various NLP tasks. Then we create an instance of the text summarization pipeline from Hugging Face Transformers. This pipeline is pre-trained and ready to summarize text based on the input. Now we define a Python function named summarized_text. This function takes input text as its argument, which is the text that we want to summarize. Inside this function, we use the summarizer pipeline we created earlier to generate a summary of the input text. We specify parameters like max length and min length to control length of the summary. I'm giving 100 for max length and 20 for min length. Feel free to give your own values. The doSample equal to false ensures we get a deterministic result. The zero and summary text indexing is used to extract the summary from the output. We create an interface for our Gradio app using the gr.interface and we specify the following, that is fn equal to summarize text indicates that our summarize text function will be used as the core function of the app. Inputs and outputs define the input and output components of the interface. We use gr.components.textbox for both input and output components, setting, labels, and other properties. You can also give a proper title for our app and a small description, making it easy for others to understand what it does. Finally, we launch our Gradio app using iface.launch. This starts a local web server where users can input text and receive summaries in real time. Now let's see our app in action. You can check its progress in the apps section. This may take a few minutes. A little later, you will notice the status changing from building to running, and your app is now live on Hugging Face. This is how it looks. In the input text box, you can provide a long text that needs to be summarized. For this demo, I'll use some sample content about aquatic life. Then click on Submit. It takes a few seconds, after which it provides the summary based on the maximum and minimum length that you have specified in your summarize text function, and that's how you create a simple text summarizer. Hope you found this video interesting and learned how to build your own text summarizer using Python, Gradio, and Hugging Face Transformers. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to DT's Learning Insights for more exciting tutorials. Stay tuned for upcoming videos. Until then, it's me, Tanvita, signing off. Thanks for watching.